Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 156 Agnes Street on the Range. This gorgeous character home has a lot to offer. Why don't you come with us and take a quick tour? There's lots to love about this home on Agnes Street. This room is one of my favourite places. These beautiful high ceilings, a kitchen with breakfast bar, built-in dining room and a great lounge space. But what I love most about this room is when you look out the windows and you see the beautiful green leaves on all the trees. What a wonderful home, set on one of Rockhampton's most sought after streets, across the road from the Rockhampton Girls Grammar School, and a home full of features with polished floors, high ceilings and lots of space. If the team at McGrath can help you own this home, give us a call, we would love to help you out.